In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data from Anytype. If you want to create a backup, move your notes to another system or simply keep a copy of your information stored locally on your device. Anytype gives you a straightforward export option. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can do it quickly and confidently. First, open the Anytype app on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing, especially if you use more than one space. This helps ensure you export the data you actually need. Once the app is open, go to the top left corner of the interface and click on your space icon or profile name. This will open the main menu where you can access settings related to your account and workspace. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Anytype stores a variety of options for managing your app experience, including the tools related to exporting your content. Inside Settings, look over to the left side menu and select Export. This section is specifically designed for creating downloadable copies of your data. So once you're here, you're in the right place. Next, choose your preferred file format. Anytype typically offers options such as Markdown, JSON, or HTML. The format you choose depends on how you plan to use the exported data. For example, Markdown can be useful for readable text files, JSON is often better for structured data, and HTML may be helpful if you want content that works well in a browser. After that, decide whether you want to export your entire space or only specific pages. If you want a full backup, exporting the entire space is usually the best option. If you only need certain notes or documents, selecting specific pages can save time and keep your export more organized. When everything looks right, click the Export button. You'll then be asked to choose a destination folder on your device. Pick a location that's easy to remember, then save the files. If you're exporting a large amount of content, give the app a moment to complete the process. And that's it. That's all it takes to export your Anytype data. It's a simple but useful feature, especially if you want more control over your information and an extra layer of backup. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.